Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the oil in your Dodge Journey. First, gather your tools: a 13mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Next, make sure you have the correct new oil filter and the right type and amount of engine oil, typically 5.2 quarts of 5W20 synthetic blend. Finally, safely lift your vehicle and secure it on jack stands for access. Now, let's get that old oil out. Look for the oil drain plug on the bottom of the oil pan, usually a 13mm bolt. Position your drain pan directly underneath it. Carefully loosen and remove the plug, letting all the old engine oil flow completely into the pan. This step is crucial for a clean oil change. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, especially when you're crawling under cars. Go darn tough. They are incredibly comfortable and come with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for a link to these amazing socks and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter. Use your oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin layer of new oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until snug. Finally, pour in the fresh engine oil through the filler cap, checking the dipstick to ensure proper levels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.